Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, September 21st. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold broke that weekly support at 1298.80. So I'm going to start looking at the daily for support. And the next daily support I see after the break of this 1302.30, broke that support, broke that support. So the next support I'm looking at here is this low here of 1281.30. So eyes on 1281.30. 1281.30 is the next support on gold. And what I would use on gold to play a bounce here at this point is, again, the 4-hour oversold RSI. They have given us some type of bounces, but what I would look for on the 4 hours, you can clearly see we're setting lower highs, lower high on the bounce, lower high on the bounce, lower high, continuing to set lower highs on the bounce. So to change the trend, that currently we're going to have to break above this 1319.80 area on the 4 hour, and that's what I would use to get into a bull position, is if we can change this trend on the 4-hour chart on gold. That's what I would wait for. Currently the 4-hour is creating multiple inside candles, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low. This current candle is the high and low is within this previous range, high and low. I did see increasing bull volume on this last candle, so it's going to be interesting to see. So it could be a bulls pushing, trying to create support here, trying to find a base here. We want consolidation here on this inside candle on the 4-hour, and then a bull break. And on that daily here on gold, daily here, I want to see us get above this 8 EMA here and close above it. And if we do close above it, that really lines up with that 1219.80. That's that 4-hour higher high that I mentioned. That's represented by the high of this daily candle. So we want to break that and get a close above this 8 EMA. That would show me that we're going to turn back around and gold will start heading higher again. But again, there is no sign of turnaround for gold yet. As far as the miners go, bear miners, we had we didn't even back test the 4 EMA. Got right below it on that back test, and profit taking and heading to lower lows on the daily. So no signal of turnaround yet on the miners yet as well. Bear miners, nugget, dust. Want to hold today's support, the low of 24.19. And if we do consolidate, we want to consolidate for those who are bear miners who want to consolidate above 22.23. The next resistance is going to be this upper Bollinger Band that we're coming up on the daily, which is at 25.87. So no turnaround in gold yet. The US dollar, Japanese yen. I'm looking at this weekly chart, and we are right at that resistance on the weekly. So we'll see how the week closes on this US dollar, Japanese yen, on this downtrend line for the weekly, to see if we're able to break above it and we break out and back test the upper Bollinger Band here, which would be negative for gold. And I am already seeing Bank of America. I'm looking at this weekly chart and seeing how we're going to close on this weekly. We're right against the upper Bollinger Band. And the reason why I'm looking at Bank of America, it's just the bank that I follow most closely with financials. And when dollar does well, the banks tend to do well. And that's why I'm looking at this Bank of America chart. We're right at that upper Bollinger Band weekly. We do have decreasing bull volume. So if we reject there on decreasing bull volume, and by the close of tomorrow we have rejected at this resistance line on the weekly, then gold could start moving back up. So something to watch for is this Bank of America chart, that US dollar, Japanese yen chart, along with the gold charts. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.